let me real quick just set the scene. I ended my last video being at my gate waiting to board. Look at the view out our window. Oh my god. We just checked into our hotel. The view is insane, like literally so pretty, and the sun is just rising, which is crazy because it's already past 10 and the sun just rose like 20 minutes ago. But yeah, we need rest. We've been awake for like too long, honestly, so I need to sleep and eat. Room tour time. This is the bathroom. Very nice, very nice. Love the shower. It's huge. And then we're gonna move into the actual room. Everything in Iceland is very small. The elevator was like, we squished in. Our bags just barely fit. It was like, that's crazy. So cold and icy here.
Don't we have to bring that
I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. It's so pretty. And it's like golden hour, so this is so pretty. This is the most beautiful concert hall I've ever been to. It's amazing. Pulled pork and a hot dog bun. It's supposed to be really good though. Oh my god, cheers. Was the cat? Oh my god! Thank you! Oh my god. Now for context, when I was looking up places to go see in Iceland, this Christmas cat, I don't remember the real name, I'm so sorry, but the Christmas cat showed up and I was like, oh my god, it's so cute, it's so funny, because it's like a folk tale that they say like during Christmas, and like you need to get new clothes, otherwise the Christmas cat's gonna eat you. And I love shopping and I love cats, so I thought, oh my god, like that's perfect, like I love that. But I never fully expected to just see it in the wild. Like I just thought, oh, that's so funny. And I don't think I realized how small like the downtown area was, that we could like walk and find this Christmas cat. I thought he was like on the other side of the fucking country. So for me to like see it was like, oh my god, made my freaking day. It was so good. Oh, you guys, it was amazing. It was amazing. Oh my god, my hair. Okay, outfit change. But we are going to a Northern Lights tour, and we have to leave in literally 5 minutes. So yeah, that's happening. I'm really excited. I hope we see it. They did say there's low activity tonight. They said on the scale of 0 tonight, the activity is 1. So who knows if we'll actually see it, but it is clear skies. So hopefully we do. I'm literally so cold. But we just saw the northern lights. Like the barest, tiniest hint.
From being, like I said, only 300,000 people per year. And
if I know you for a second, maybe then it will get you to notice me. So pathetic that was.
Excuse you. Girl, no you were not.
Round of applause for a hell of a party. For guy only got him second.
Okay, I think we're at the Sellefoss waterfall. I feel like that's redundant. It's like when you say chai tea. But yeah, we're here. My mom wants a picture, hold on. But yeah, we are 4 of them. So we're at the one that they call the Canyon Dweller. We're gonna try and go in between the rock to get closer. It is so pretty. Like literally insane. This is so insane. I'm obsessed. Everything is just so gorgeous.
Round of applause for a hell of a party. For guy only got him second ago. Penthouse and it looks like a wet dream that we're.
Are you getting up there? Oh my god.
He tells your girlfriend, I can't keep you straight. You can't stay awake when I'm next to you, next to you, next to you. You take me to your room while everybody's singing.
There's also a bakery here, so now I'm gonna grab some food because I'm starving and I haven't had anything all day. Ooh, they have a cinnamon roll. Okay.
Take me to your room while everybody's singing. When I say I love you, I try not to mean it.
Imagine having to go up all these stairs. I hate heights, so I'm trying not to look down. It's so far away. I'm here. I'm okay. Sunset and it's so pretty. Like the sky is pink and purple and like golden. So we're like by the black sand beaches and I think someone tried to draw like half a heart and didn't get to finish, which is unfortunate. You're gonna bring one to him? Yeah. Okay.
Oh, this one's so
I'll bring one. Right now we're at the black sand beach. What is it called? Reina. I'll put it on the screen, but it's so pretty. And I'm picking up so many stones to bring home, so it's a good souvenir. Hi guys, we are back at the hotel now. We've been out for 12 hours. It's now 8:30 and I'm exhausted. I'm about to go shower in a bit, but first I wanted to try my cinnamon roll. I didn't get to try it earlier because I was like slow in finishing my sandwich, so I didn't even get to try this, but it's just a normal cinnamon roll with cream cheese frosting. They had a ton of different cinnamon rolls and I was so sad that I didn't see them before I ordered this one, but that's okay. I'm gonna try it. It's really good. I think they added some sort of like citrus either in the dough or like in the glazed frosting. I'm gonna tear that up when I'm done with this, but the tour was so much fun. I have a story though, because when I was going up all those stairs, there were so many stairs, you guys, and it was fine. You know, like, I'm a pretty athletic person. That was fine. My legs were still burning. But on the way down is when the problem started, because then my foot started cramping up. And I was like, oh my god. And I was late getting back to the bus because my foot cramped up. And I was like, oh my god. And it hurt so bad. It hurt so bad. I was like, this is not happening right now. And I hate heights. So the fact, and it's always like harder for me going down the stairs on like a very high thing than going up. So the fact that I hate heights, I was going down and my foot started cramping up, all happened at the same time. I was like, look, whoever's doing this needs to relax. Enough. Stop that. I enjoyed the tour. Like getting to see the waterfall so up close was insane, but I was so cold and wet after. Like I looked like a drowned rat, and luckily I bought a hairbrush. And then also seeing the sunset like at the black sand beach. Oh my god, my hair is insane right now. But seeing the sunset at the black sand beaches and like on that cliff, it was so pretty, so gorgeous. Like easily, oh my god. Now, well, I'm very tired, and I think we're gonna either do another tour tomorrow, or we have things we're gonna do tomorrow too. So I'm going to just like rest, and I need Netflix time. I need screen time. As silly as that sounds, but yeah, today was amazing. So cool, and I was just like, loved it.